Corona, California is famous for its sunny weather, but did you know those rays could be damaging your car, home, and health? Protect what matters most with professional window tinting. Keep reading to discover why this simple upgrade is a must-have in Corona's sunny climate. The relentless Corona sun can be brutal. Whether you're driving or relaxing at home, the heat and UV rays take a toll. Window tinting isn't just a luxury, it's an investment in your comfort, health, and property value. Let's explore how Tint City's expert services make all the difference. Protect your family and your belongings with window tinting that blocks up to 99% of harmful UV rays. From preventing skin damage to keeping your furniture and car interiors from fading, this layer of protection is essential under Corona's bright sun. Tired of stepping into an oven-like car? Or battling heat at home? Window tinting dramatically reduces heat and glare, keeping you cool and saving your air conditioner from overdrive. With Tint City, your comfort is guaranteed, even during Corona's hottest summers. Tinted windows don't just look great, they offer enhanced privacy and security. Deter would-be thieves while giving your car or property a sleek, modern upgrade. Its functionality meets fashion, tailored for the Corona lifestyle. From UV protection to energy efficiency and added privacy, window tinting is a must in sunny Corona, California. Ready to transform your space or vehicle? Visit tintcity.com today for a free quote and expert installation. Don't wait. Shield your world from the sun's harsh effects.